Alrighty guys, we're here in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Got my fly rod, got my 3-weight, got my GoPro. We're gonna catch some bass. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh, reluctant entertainer with a huge one. Really, this is huge. This is the biggest one we've got so far.
Give it time.
It's okay, you can let it go. You can let it run a little bit. Pull it in, Mom. Oh my gosh, that's a largemouth. Reluctant entertainer. Oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
That is the biggest bass.
The biggest yet.
Let's pull it out. Okay, Mom, you gonna pull the hook out? Oh, here we go. Someone got out before me. Here he is. Let's see what Pablo got. You got a big one. He's got a big one. All right, Pablo, right on. All right, let's get this party started. This is Master and Commander Gibbs, Ellen Rose Coughlin.